Ready to bake the cutest cheesecakes ever? Grab your aprons and let's dive in. Jimmy here and welcome to my channel. If you're new here, hello and thanks for tuning in. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Alright, let's get started. For these mini New York cheesecakes, you'll need 12 digestive biscuits, 1/4 cup of melted butter, 16 ounces of cream cheese, 1/2 cup of sugar, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, 2 eggs, and an assortment of your favorite fruit toppings. First, preheat your oven to 160 degrees Celsius, 320 degrees Fahrenheit. Crush those biscuits into crumbs and mix them with the melted butter. Press the mixture into the bottom of a muffin tin lined with paper cups. Voila! You've got your crust. Now, in a mixing bowl, beat the cream cheese until it's smooth. Add in the sugar and vanilla extract and mix again. Crack in the eggs, one at a time, beating until just combined. Spoon the cream cheese mixture over the crusts in your muffin tin, filling each cup almost to the top. Pop them in the oven for about 20 minutes. They're done when the centers are just set and slightly wobbly. Let them cool completely, then refrigerate for at least 2 hours. Now the fun part, top them with your favorite fruits. Strawberries, blueberries, or even a mix. It's up to you. And there you have it. Mini New York cheesecakes that are sure to impress. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and share if you enjoyed this recipe. See you next time.